Are you watching football?
Yes, World Cup 2026.
Is the World Cup now?
Yes, happening right now.
Is it exciting?
Yes, very exciting indeed.
Do you like football?
Yes, I love it.
Is this a good match?
Yes, amazing match today.
Did someone score?
Yes, just scored now.
Was it a good goal?
Yes, incredible goal indeed.
Who is playing now?
Two great teams playing.
Is this the final?
No, quarterfinal today.
How many teams remain?
8 great teams left.
Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, I love Brazil.
Is Brazil playing well?
Yes, playing very well.
Do you like Brazil?
Yes, great football country.
What about Argentina?
Argentina is also strong.
Who do you think wins?
Maybe Brazil this time.
Do you watch every match?
Yes, every single one.
Is World Cup every 4 years?
Yes, every 4 years.
Where is it this year?
USA, Canada, and Mexico.
3 countries together?
Yes, first time ever.
Is that special?
Yes, very special indeed.
How many countries are playing?
48 teams total.
Is 48 a lot?
Yes, more than before.
Was it 32 before?
Yes, now 48.
Do you know all teams?
Most of them, yes.
Which continent has most teams?
Africa has more now.
Is that good?
Yes, more countries participate.
Do you know the stadiums?
Some famous ones, yes.
Are the stadiums big?
Yes, very big stadiums.
How many fans attend?
There's millions of fans there.
Do you want to go?
Yes, my biggest dream.
Are tickets expensive?
Yes, very expensive tickets.
Did you try to buy?
Yes, but very hard.
Is watching TV okay?
Yes, still very exciting.
Do you watch with friends?
Yes, always with friends.
Is that more fun?
Yes, much more fun.
Do you have snacks ready?
Yes, juice and snacks.
What snacks do you eat?
Chips and fresh fruit.
Do you get nervous watching?
Yes, sometimes very nervous.
Did your team lose before?
Yes, last World Cup.
Were you sad then?
Yes, very sad indeed.
Are you hopeful this time?
Yes, very hopeful now.
What makes a good team?
Teamwork and good goalkeeper.
Is the goalkeeper important?
Yes, extremely important role.
Do you know famous players?
Yes, many famous ones.
Who is your favorite player?
I love Vinicius Jr.
Is he playing well?
Yes, incredible player indeed.
Do you play football too?
Yes, every single weekend.
Did World Cup inspire you?
Yes, always inspires me.
Do you practice more now?
Yes, training harder now.
Is football popular worldwide?
Yes, most popular sport.
Why do people love football?
Simple, exciting, and emotional.
Does football unite people?
Yes, whole world watches.
Is World Cup special?
Yes, biggest event ever.
Do different countries watch together?
Yes, world comes together.
Is that beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful thing.
Does football have no borders?
Exactly, no borders indeed.
Do you learn English for football?
Yes, understand commentary better.
Is English commentary good?
Yes, very exciting commentary.
Do you understand commentators?
Getting better every day.
What words do you know?
Goal, offside, penalty corner?
Is football vocabulary easy?
Yes, quite easy actually.
What is a penalty?
Kick from 12 meters?
What is offside?
Player too far forward?
Is offside rule confusing?
Yes, sometimes very confusing.
What is a corner?
Ball kicked from corner?
What is a header?
Hitting ball with head?
What is a free kick?
Kick after a foul?
What is a red card?
Player must leave field?
What is a yellow card?
Player gets warning?
Did you see any red cards?
Yes, one match had.
Was it fair?
Not sure, very controversial.
Do you agree with referees?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Is VAR helpful?
Yes, but takes time.
What is VAR?
Video review for decisions.
Does VAR make football better?
Yes, more fair now.
Who do you think will win?
Brazil or France maybe?
What is your prediction?
Brazil wins the cup.
Will you celebrate if they win?
Yes, big celebration time.
This World Cup is amazing.
Yes, best one ever.